How do you find a good employment attorney? Well, that's a harder question than you might think. Good Yelp reviews can be faked. Websites you find online are often misleading. And most attorney awards that attorneys post online are paid for by the attorney. So how do you find a good employment attorney? Well, you have to do it the old-fashioned way. You have to do your homework. So here's a list of questions you can use to find the right attorney for you. First of all, how long has this person been an attorney? This is something you can verify on the State Bar website. Does this law firm only do employment law? Employment law is very complex, so you probably want somebody who specializes in employment law. Does the law firm do plaintiff's work only? Do you want this law firm defending people for the same conduct that's happened to you? How long has the attorney been specializing in plaintiff employment law? For example, some attorneys might have been an attorney for 20 years, but maybe they started employment law last week. That wouldn't be the kind of experience you're looking for. How many jury trials has the attorney had? This is very important because a lot of attorneys don't do jury trials and they have less leverage when it comes time to settle with insurance companies or the corporate employers. Has there ever been a disciplinary hearing against this attorney? Obviously, you need an attorney you can trust. Did the attorney pass the bar exam on the first try? Most attorneys won't like this question, but it's something that you should ask. If they didn't pass the bar the first time, it doesn't necessarily mean they're a bad attorney, but it is a cause for concern because they didn't prepare well enough to pass the most important test in their life. Another good question is how many lawyers are in the law firm? A large firm has certain advantages, but they might not give you the individual attention that a small firm can give you. On the other hand, a sole practitioner may be able to give you a lot of his time, but what's he going to do when he's sick or when he's on vacation? Is he going to leave you in the lurch? Now, when you're talking to the attorney, does he seem to have a good knowledge of how the law applies to your set of facts? Does he make promises just to try to get you to be their client? For example, does he tell you how much money he thinks you'll get or how fast it's going to settle? Because those are questions we don't really know the answer to at the beginning of a case. Does the attorney want money up front? Because if he does, most cases are on contingency for plaintiff's employment law. So if he does that, then he probably doesn't really believe in your case. Now, if you find out the answer to these questions I just gave you, you will have the knowledge you need to pick the right attorney for you. Thank you.